Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology, like the Toyota Safety Sense, make this a vehicle worth looking at. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.